What's up? YouTube Technical. I'm back again with another video. I am currently recording this on my LG Wing. As you can see me walking, and you can see outwards. This is the dual camera. Let you see in the front, let you see what you're doing, let you see the back, which is really cool. I could get used to recording like this. As you can see, I'm outside. It's a nice little day. Just walking outside, testing out camera. Let me know what you think. Just testing this out real quick. Haven't did this yet with this phone. Haven't really had enough time to mess with this phone the way I really want to, so do it now. But this is what it looks like. I'm liking this right here. I could use this a lot probably. Maybe if I wanted to go to a store and do a little vlog in a store or in a tech store or whatever, this is good to use. So just let me know what you think about the quality. It don't look too bad, but it could be better. Could be better. I'm out.